naawitin po namin ni Ku in the earlier part of the program as the invocation, yung the prayer. So, abangan po ninyo ang the greatest love of all part 2 dinner concert to raise funds for the Children's First 1,000 Days of Life Holistic Development Program. Medyo mahaba kasi hindi lang naman nutrition, kundi pati na yung mga tinatawag na multivitamins, mga supplements, folic acid, the prenatal care, the mandatory vaccinations, and then after birth, mandatory din yung breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding, and after 6 months, then breastfeeding pa rin, semi-solid or solid food at hanggang sa second birthday. But it doesn't mean nutrition or holistic development stuff on second birthday. Yun lang, first 1,000 days, yun ang pinaka-critical period.
Assuring their health.
Yeah, the foundation.
Their right development, yes.
And, that's right. And kung di ba, ang katawan ng tao ay templo ng Espiritu Santo.
Yes po.
So, simula pa lang sa sinapupunan, kinakailangan alagaan na natin yung katawan doon na may buhay na doon pa lang sa sinapupunan. And thank you very much, Ms. Ku. It will be a pleasure and an honor for all of us to have you there as our lead
It's my
performer.
pleasure po. And thank you for inviting.
Hindi ito ang unang huli.
Yes po. Of course.
sa mga susunod na taon. Maraming salamat, Ms. Ku Ledesma.
Thank you rin. Thank you for those who came today. Maraming salamat po.
God bless.
God bless you po.